Today I'm sharing 5 amazing Affinity tips that will instantly speed up your workflow. Let's jump right in. First, draw a shape and place it in the center on top of your image. As soon as you drop the shape onto the image, Affinity will automatically create a clipping mask. You can adjust it however you want. And if you want to release it, simply click on the mask icon and either delete the shape or drag it out. The mask will be removed. I'm drawing a shape here. Hold Alt and drag it to the right. Boom! You get a copy. Press Ctrl+J and Affinity will automatically create repeated copies for you. Do the same vertically. Alt+Shift to drag down, then Ctrl+J to multiply the copies in seconds. I'm drawing a shape here. I've selected a shape and want to change its color. Before making changes, go to Document, Add Document Snapshot. This saves the current state of your file with the time and date. Now you can modify anything, create copies, experiment freely. Your original design remains safe. Snapshots are extremely powerful for non-destructive editing. After making lots of changes, if I want to return to my original file, go to Document, Restore Snapshot. And just like that, the entire design goes back to the exact version we saved earlier. Sometimes when selecting one object, other layers get selected too, which is frustrating. Here's the solution. Go to Edit, Preferences, Tools. Set the object selection mode to Large, and here the second option. Now you can select individual objects very cleanly without grabbing unwanted layers. Let's create a shape. Press the right arrow on your keyboard. It instantly creates a copy of the shape. Hold Shift while pressing the right arrow, and you can smoothly increase or decrease its size. Press the down arrow, and Affinity will create copies downward as well. And if you long press any arrow key, Affinity automatically adjusts and adds equal spacing between all the shapes. This is one of the quickest ways to build grids or repeating patterns. So these were 5 powerful tips to level up your Affinity Designer workflow. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.